In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ahrefs to Google Data Studio. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Google Looker Studio. Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio, is where all your data sources and visualization magic happens. Once there, move your cursor to the top corner of the interface. You'll notice several options, and what we're interested in here is the section labeled Data Sources. Click on it and it will take you to where all the magic with data connections begins. Now that we're in the Data Sources section, the next step is to click on Create New Data Source. This button is prominently displayed, so it should be easy to find. This will open a gallery of available data connectors. Google Data Studio, known for its flexibility, supports a wide array of data connectors to choose from, and today our focus is on ahrefs. Once you've clicked the option to create a new data source, we're going to search for ahrefs. You'll see a search bar on the screen, just type in ahrefs. Quick tip, as you type, the options will automatically filter, making it even easier to find exactly what you're looking for. This step is crucial because ahrefs is not always visible at a glance, given the vast number of data connectors available. Upon typing ahrefs, select ahrefs rank tracker from the list. This specific connector is designed to help you pull SEO ranking data directly into your reports, which is invaluable if you're managing SEO performance or tracking keyword rankings. The next pivotal step is to authorize the connection. You'll see a button labeled Authorize, go ahead and click on it. This authorization step is essential. Think of it as granting permission for Google Data Studio to securely access your ahrefs data. Without this step, your data won't flow and your desired connection won't be established. Once authorization is complete, your ahrefs data will start syncing with Looker Studio. Your reports can now reflect real-time updates from ahrefs, providing you with accurate and timely insights to make data-driven decisions, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in today. With this seamless integration of ahrefs into Google Data Studio, you're all set to create insightful SEO-driven reports that could brighten up your dashboards. Keep exploring, keep analyzing, and as always, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy data reporting!